Hi guys, if you love catfish as much as I do, try this flavorful catfish pepper soup. Very simple, very light, and very quick and easy. Let's get to cooking. Alright, so why I love catfish so much is because it's so light, so delicious, so healthy, and so nourishing, very satisfying. So this is my go-to fish. This is the best fish in the entire world, if you ask me. So after thoroughly cleaning your fish, you're gonna start off with some onions, some shallots, ginger, and 2 cloves of garlic. And for the seasoning, we're gonna use some salt, curry, thyme, dried basil, some parsley, and I use some all-purpose vegetable seasoning as well. You're also gonna need some dried pepper, some nutmeg, and you could also add some paprika if you want it. I also used 2 seasoning cubes at first and added some hot pepper. So you're adding all of this while the fish is on medium heat. So you don't add water at first, you just want the water to be extracted from the fish initially. So you just cover it and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. And this is what it looks like after a few minutes. And catfish is very flaky, so you also don't want to mix it too much because it's going to break off. So you used about 3 cups of water. So you just pour the water to, let the spices blend together and fuse together. And, you're going to start smelling all the aromatic flavors, which will be absorbed by the catfish. Alright, so after about 20 minutes, you're gonna add the chopped basil leaves. So you want to chop the basil like very loosely, not too thin. And almost immediately, you're gonna start to perceive the minty flavor from the basil. I don't like to use mint. Some people use mint, but I feel like it's too sweet. So I prefer to use basil. If you have scent leaves, that's even better. So you just add that and let it simmer for about 5 more minutes. Okay, a quick fun fact is in my household, everyone knows that the tail of the fish belongs to me, so no one ever touches that. And next, I feel like the head of the fish is the next flavorful part of the fish. I don't know why people don't like the head of fish. And you also know that the fish is done when it's completely white. Right, people, so the catfish pepper soup is literally done. I used practically like a large catfish, and I guess it was cut into like medium to large size pieces. So it took about 20 to 30 minutes for everything to be completely cooked. And catfish is notorious for, falling apart and breaking apart when it's cooked for long periods of time. So you don't want to do it for too long. And you also want to ensure to use a plastic spoon so it doesn't break during the cooking process. This soup is like, give me catfish pepper soup any day, anytime, hot or cold. If you have a cold, if you want to relax, if you want some spicy soup on your taste buds, this is my go-to recipe. It doesn't take long, I promise you, and it's very flavorful. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. Leave some comments for me in the comment section, and if you replicate this, please let me know. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a good day, guys. Take care.